Okay, this is the third one of these I think we've tried. We have another whole box of another kind. These are David bar, not David's. David. This is David's David bar, but it's David bar. This is blueberry. I'm not a big fan of blueberry. It's blueberry pie. I don't really like blueberry muffins. I don't really like the little specks of blueberry. I don't really like it. I don't eat raw blueberries. I don't eat nothing blueberry really. But they didn't have a whole box of these. They only had individuals. So I bought a couple of the individual bars. I think they're like $4 each or something like that, maybe less. I don't know. But then I bought the big boxes, and it's not much cheaper to do it that way. So I thought when I first saw these individual ones, there's a whole stand, like an end cap thing. Not necessarily an end cap, but something that would go on an end cap kind of thing of these bars, and they had different flavors. The two that I already tried, the one that I have to still try in a box, but they had these individuals. So I thought maybe, there's a couple boxes left, and they want to put these to get people to try them by the medications, by the pharmacy, by the supplements, and all that, because it's right like up in the supplement aisle on the end. So I thought maybe that's what they're doing. Maybe they took them out of there and just put them up there. Because Lois said this product is not to be sold individually or something like that. But they want to have all the information that they can put on the box. But no, that wasn't it. So you can get these individually, maybe. Oh, excuse me. Oh, it's getting late. But this is 150 calories, 0 grams of sugar, and I think the total carb is. Oh, this would be the best source for portable protein at 28 grams. That is a lot of protein. For carbs, and the services is the entire bar. When it comes to carbs, we're at 17 minus 1 brings down to 16. Yeah, so it's about 9 grams of carbs, and it's a full size bar. This is 2.19 ounces, 62 grams, or 2.19 ounces. So it's a full size, and will this cover us? Will it hold us over for into our next meal at 150 calories? Wouldn't necessarily be a meal. It might be something you take. Maybe you have to take medicine. Like, in fact, I got to take medicine here in a minute. So it'd be enough to take medicine with. By the way, they don't want you to take it on an empty stomach, for example. There's no real photo of this, and I don't have the box, so I don't know what they're supposed to look like. Or is it going to be white with little things on it? Because it's a pie kind. So let's try it. It might be purple. I don't know. But I don't really eat things that are blueberry. Maybe like it's some kind of a taffy, maybe. So anyway, here we go. It is purple. It kind of looks like that one squash or whatever it is. Is it squash or some kind of, they call there's another E, and I guess the Korean people eat that. But it has little dots, and once again, I don't know what those little dots are. Not blueberry seeds, so I'm not really sure. It smells very strong. I'm not really sure what those little dots are. They've been in all of them. Maybe some kind of a protein powder or protein product. They're crunchy. It's good. I think this product, this particular one, if you love blueberry, you're gonna love this. No, I'm not a fan of blueberry. That's why I like it. Would I recommend this? Sure, if you love blueberries, you're gonna like this. And if you don't like blueberries, give it a try. It's not bad. It's good. It's probably not my favorite of the ones I've tried so far. First one I think I tried was cookie dough. It was some kind of peanut butter thing with some peanut butter chocolate. I can't remember. And then this one. So on a blueberry pie kind of thing, it could be lots of different things. Maybe it's a blueberry pie with a graham cracker crust, a blueberry pie with a chocolate crust, a blueberry pie, with maybe some kind of sweetener in it. So there's different ways to make pie. Is it a pie where the top has no crust? Where it's just like it has the crust around the side, around the circle, and the bottom has a crust, but there's no top layer. Could be something like that. But yeah, I think you'd like that if you do like especially if you like blueberry. Have you tried any of their products? I don't know if you have. Now we are having a contest. Don't forget. Go back that way and find it because it's gonna be on the 18th of today. It's the 2nd, and in about here where I am, in about 46 minutes, it's going to be the 3rd. It'll be midnight. So go back there, find that one. Make sure you subscribe. You can subscribe on this. You can subscribe on any video as long as you are a subscriber at the time of the contest. So you can subscribe to this video. Go back there and make a comment like, "Hey, I saw you on the blueberry pie thing," or something like that. You can do that. You can put it. I'm gonna try some other. I'm gonna go ahead and get that one, the blueberry. I'm gonna try to get some other ones. Where did I get this from? Someone asked. Was that you? This is from Walmart. I know they have them elsewhere, and I think there's some kind of class action going on right now against this company. Why? I don't know. The yogurt company, the company Ratio that has this cereal, they have a lawsuit about their yogurts, and they said, "Can I prove that I ate their yogurt or bought their yogurt?" Well, guess what? I made videos about their yogurt, so I definitely can. It might be something where you get a coupon. I've had one of those class action ones where I did that, and it was about some kind of hot dog thing. I don't know. And I did eat the hot dogs. I had proof of the hot dog sale. I bought some hot dogs. I think it still has them in the freezer. Because if you don't eat things that have a lot of preservatives in it, they go bad pretty quick. So I think what I did, I got like an 8-pack, took half of it, used them, and the other half froze them for another night. You don't have hot dogs. Well, you might want to have hot dogs 2 nights in a row. You got to eat some other items as well. So that was going on, and I think I got a coupon for a pack of hot dogs. So it had something to do with the labeling. Did it say cold dogs and they were really hot dogs? I don't know, but something that had to do with the labeling, or something they were required to put. It could be something like a nitrate or a sodium content, and maybe some of the nutritional information on the back was wrong. I'll show that to you. I think all these have been the same so far, so I'm sure this is the same as the other boxes, but take a look. So if you need a low carb option here, you need a high protein. I don't know, about 150 calories. If it's just a snack bar, it'd be a lot fewer calories than if this had been like a Hershey's bar or some kind of almond joy or something, right? So it would be lower than that, and the carbs would be a lot lower. So maybe give it a try. Fits well into a bag or whatever. Now this material, whatever they make this out of, it doesn't seem like it would melt like chocolate. It probably would melt. I don't think it's melted easily. It's like a chocolate thing. If you got yourself like one of those Quaker Oats breakfast bars, and it's got the chocolate on the outside. Those are pretty good. I like some of those. They're the Cliff bars, all kinds of different kind of bars. Do you like to eat bars? I got bit by something right there. See? Ouch. It wasn't a cat. It wasn't a dog. It wasn't a bat. Some kind of bug or spider, maybe a spider bite. Really weird weather, so it's causing things. We have an early bloom right now. All the trees are blooming. They're not supposed to yet. It's still a little bit early. Is it spring yet? I think it is spring, right? I'm pretty sure tomorrow, in a few minutes, it's going to be Good Friday. So for those of you that celebrate that, or even if you don't celebrate that, happy Good Friday. It's going to be hopefully it's a good Friday. Post offices, banks. I think that's all closed tomorrow. I'm pretty sure it's closed tomorrow, so those people can get some time to enjoy with their family. I always say that, right? We're going to close at noon versus 8, so our family can enjoy our employees can enjoy a Thanksgiving dinner with their family. But maybe they're really going to grab 2 hot dogs on the way out and go to the racetrack and gamble. I don't know. You never know what they can do. So anyway, Dave Bar, not David's, Dave Bar. That is David's Dave Bar. David's David Bar, and it's blueberry this time. Please don't forget, subscribe, like, share, and put your comments down below. Have you had any of their bars? Do you have another bar that you might think is better than this? They have the one bar. I didn't think about that. They have something like a lot of them are with other companies. It'll be like a Hershey's. It'll be chocolate. It'll be this Hershey's chocolate one bar or whatever, and they do that too. So hopefully if you do try it, I hope you like it. Take care. Have a great night or morning or whenever you watch this. It'll be out tomorrow. This will be out tomorrow, 6 p.m. on Friday, 6 p.m. Pacific.